everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add overlay on CapCut. So here I already add a main video and I want to add the overlay to this video. So what you guys need to do is just click on overlay at the bottom and add overlay, and here choose the overlay video or photo maybe, and for example I want to add this video as the overlay, so just click on add and here adjust the size until it fits to the screen like this, and then after that go to splice, and here you can just choose the splice that you want, the splice tools that you want. For example, I'm going to go to overlay. You can also adjust it like this, or you can also choose another one, so you can just choose like this for example, and then here you can choose the splices that you think fits your video the best, for example like this, or filter or overlay lighten, but I'm going to just go with slide and adjust it into 70 like this. Click on a check icon, and then here I'm going to crop the overlay until it fits to the main video like this, and here is the final result. Okay everyone, that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.